Today I'll show you the easiest free way to make a sticky header for both your desktop and mobile website. I can even make it transparent like this, so it looks nice while scrolling. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins and click Add New. Now here search for My Sticky Menu and you will get this plugin. So to install the plugin, let's click Install and then Activate. Now you can see that we have a new item called My Sticky Menu. Let's click Sticky Menu Settings and click here. Now here you need to select the type of menu which you want to make sticky. I am going to select Primary Menu. So once you have selected that, just scroll down and click Save. Now if we go back to our site, click Refresh, and then if we scroll down, you can see that the header is always visible and it's become sticky. Now, before we go ahead, I must warn you that creating custom headers can slow down your site over time. But no need to worry, we'll just install one free speed plugin and our site will never slow down again. Now I'll show you how to make it transparent like this. So let's go back to plugin settings and click here to do that. Once you are done, just scroll down and click Save. Now let's go back to our site and click Refresh. Now when we scroll down, and it has become transparent. Also, in this 3-minute video, I'll show you our new free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really going to thank me for this later. So click here and I'll see you there.